Another day, another nut. Time to go see my beautiful wife, Rosie. Greetings, my beloved wife. I have returned from work and have received the nut.
Johnny, I don't love you anymore. I've fallen for another robot.
What? Who?
Greetings, Johnny.
Angelo? So, you've fallen in love with our neighbor?
That's right, Johnny. Your girl really makes my drive hard, if you know what I'm saying.
You? Ha! With your microprocessor?
Good one, idiot. You couldn't tell your USB port from your asshole.
Why, you?
Owie. Dodge! 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 Reverse! Shoryuken! That's it! It's time I brought a gun to a fist fight.
Angelo, don't.
You don't have the RAM to pull the trigger. Get it? Robot puns. I'm hilarious.
Johnny, speak to me. I'm sorry I ever cheated on you.
It's okay, Rosie.
My memories are corrupted. All I remember now is you.
No!
Goodbye, brother.
Hey champ, how's the paper going? I brought some blueberries and lemonade for ya.
Jeez, Mom, get out of here already. I'm so busy. You have no idea. Get out of here. God, this is why Dad left. Ugh.